Hey guys, we are going to talk about the beginning of 3-1. The lesson is called Parallel Lines and Transversals. And we're going to talk about a part of that first. So the first thing for you to write down and have in your notes is skew lines. I know you're going to see this word later, so write it down. Skew lines are lines that do not intersect, and they are not coplanar. So they do not interact with each other at all. They are not on the same plane. They do not intersect each other. All right, so I have this little shape here, my box. All right, my box has a little diagonal line across the bottom. And we're going to talk about skew lines and some other things in here. So the first one says, name all the planes parallel to ABG. So ABG, that's this top plane here. So the planes parallel to it, well, if you think of a box, it would also be that bottom plane. So we could call that EDC. We could call it DCE. We could call it CHE. Any of those names that talk about that bottom plane. Okay, remember planes need 3 letters. All right, here's the next one. It says, name all the segments that intersect with CH. So CH is this back line back here. All of the segments that intersect it. So DC intersects it. Or if I tell you, I guess I told you alphabetically, so let's go the other way. CD intersects it. We could say that CE, this middle one, intersects it. EH. Okay, and then the ones this way. So we'd have GH and BC. So all the lines that run into our line back here. All right, and then the last question says, name all the segments that are skew to BG. So now we're going to look back here. We're looking at BG. So skew lines do not intersect, are not coplanar. So if you look here, this is going to intersect, this intersects, this intersects, this intersects. So none of those, okay? This one right here is on the same plane, so that's not going to work. This is also on the same plane, not going to work. But like right here, DC or CD, that one is going to go like underneath it. So that one works for a skew. Okay, same right here on the other side, EH. Not going to intersect, not on the same plane. ED, or let's call that one DE. We said alphabetical. DE. Over here, EF. That one goes on this side, not back there with that one. So that means AD also counts. AD. And it looks like right here, CE will also. If I were with you in class, I'd say, did I miss one? I maybe did. So we can say not that, 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 that. That means we need this, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's right. Okay. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to go and I want you to try out these problems. So you're going to do page 145, number 12 to 19. When you're done, I want you to correct it. And then you're going to get another, after you correct that, you're going to watch another video and get another assignment from the rest of the chapter.